The ninth sum, dy by dx is equal to sine inverse x. Let us use variable separable method. That is, you separate the variables, all the y terms to one side and x terms to the other side. So you have sine inverse x here and dx here. So let us write dy is equal to sine inverse x into dx. Now we have separated the variables. You can integrate now. So integration of dy is y. Integration of sine inverse x, you have to use, there is no straight formula for this, isn't it? Sine inverse x. So how do you integrate sine inverse x? See, sine inverse x dx. You have to use integration by parts. So remember integration by parts, IL, AT, ILate. So u is sine inverse, this is inverse function, log, algebra, trigonometry, exponential. So there is an inverse function. Take u as sine inverse x and the remaining take it as dv. So it is integration by parts, not a product rule. We are dividing this into two parts. So take this as u, this as dv. Here you differentiate. So derivative of sine inverse x is 1 by root of 1 minus x square. Integrate here. Integration of dv is d. Integration of dx is x. So integration by parts is u dv is uv minus integration of v du. That is u into v minus v du. So u is sine inverse x into x minus v is x by root of 1 minus x square dx. Okay. U into v minus v du. V is x, du is this. So we can write here integration of dy is y. Integration of sine inverse x is x into sine inverse x minus x by root of 1 minus x square dx. Now you have to integrate this again. So integration of x by root of 1 minus x square. So you can use this rule or formula, that is f dash of x by root of f of x, 2 times root of f of x. When the derivative of f of x is here in the numerator and you have a root here, it is 2 times root of f of x. What is the derivative of 1? 0. X square, 2x, isn't it? Minus x square, so minus 2x, the minus is missing, minus 2 is missing. So minus, just let us multiply by minus 2x. Okay, minus 2, the x is there, minus 2x is not there, so multiply and divide by minus 2. So we get now minus 1 by 2. You have the derivative of the denominator in the numerator and there is a root in the denominator. Then it is nothing but 2 times the denominator. You can use the substitution method. Put 1 minus x square as t and do it. So you can use the substitution method or you can do this. So this is minus of. So this is equal to y is equal to x into sine inverse x minus of, this is minus and minus, so minus root of 1 minus x square. So that's the answer. Y is x into sine inverse x plus root of 1 minus x square plus c. Question number 10. E power x tan y dx plus 1 minus e power x secant square y dy. We are going to use variable separable method. We have to separate the variables. E power x tan y dx is minus 1 minus e power x secant square y dy. So you have dx term here and dy here. So bring all the dx to this side and terms to the other side. So e power x by 1 minus e power x dx is minus secant square y by tan y dy. You can bring this minus sign here this side. So you can write this as e power x by e power x minus 1. This minus I am bringing it here. So this is integral. Now integrate. This minus I brought it here. So this is integral e power x by e power x minus 1 secant square y by tan y dy. So you can now see the differentiation of e power x is there. E power x minus 1, the denominator, f dash of x by f of x is log of the denominator. Remember that. So log of the denominator. So this is, you have the differentiation of the denominator in the numerator. So we can write this as log of the denominator is again here tan y. The differentiation of tan y is secant square y. So we can write this as log of the denominator plus c. That c you can write as log c. So this is log e power x minus 1. Bring it here. Or you can write it here itself. Log tan y, product rule, log a plus log b is log ab into c. Log a plus log b is this. Now remove log from both the sides. Remove log from both the sides. So we get now e power x minus 1. You can remove the modulus sign now. Is tan y into the constant c. Tan y is equal to, both are same. Okay, you can write as c1 e power x minus 1. Both are same. From 11, find the particular solution. General solution will have the constant c. Particular solution is at a particular point you are finding the solution. That is called as the particular solution. So we are going to find the particular solution. So this is the equation x cube plus, you are going to find the particular solution. X cube plus x square plus x plus 1 dy by dx is equal to 2x square plus x, y is 1 at. So this condition is given. So we can find out the constant c. When you find the constant c, the general solution will become particular solution. So let us first integrate it and find the general solution. So you have dy here. So take dx and this term to the side. So dy is equal to 2x square plus x divided by x cube plus x square plus x plus 1 dx. So we have separated the variables. Now you can integrate. Now this, how do you integrate? Factorize the denominator. So integration of 2x square plus x. You can factorize. X square, take it out. The first two terms, x square is common, take it out. X plus 1 plus 1, x plus 1. So that is integration of 2x square plus x by x square plus 1 into x plus 1. There are two factors here. So how do you factorize it? 2x square plus x by x square plus 1 into x plus 1. How do you integrate this? You remember, by partial fraction method. Now one factor is a linear factor. So we can write a by x plus 1. When there is a linear factor, the numerator should be a constant. Now this is a quadratic factor. So if it is a quadratic factor and try to factorize it, you cannot factorize. There is no solution in the real number system. So when you cannot factorize this, the numerator should be written as a linear factor. So you should write as bx plus c. So a by x plus 1, bx plus c you have to write, because the quadratic factor you are not able to factorize it. Now this is 2x square plus x by x square plus 1 into x plus 1 is cross multiply, that is LCM, x square plus 1 plus bx plus c x plus 1 divided by x plus 1 into x square plus 1. So now to find a and b, there is a factor here, x plus 1. Put x as minus 1, put x plus 1 as 0. So x is minus 1. So if you put x as minus 1, you get one of these constants. This will become 0. When you put x as minus 1, this will become 0. So this will become minus 1 the whole square. 1 plus 1, 2. Here x is minus 1. So 2, x is minus 1. So minus 1 is a into x is minus 1. So 1 plus 1, 2. So 1, a is equal to 1 by 2. A is 1 by 2. So now we have to find the other constants. We don't have any other factor. So what do? We found one constant. We have to find b. We have to find c. How do you find? So equate the x square term on both the sides. Equate the coefficient of x square. Highest term you take. It will be easy. So highest term is x square. Here also it is x square. Equate the coefficient of x square on both the sides. So you have here 2. The coefficient of x square is 2 and that side is ax square. So a plus b. Isn't it? A is half plus b. So b is 3 by 2. Now equate the constant term on both the sides. So equate the constant on both the sides. So there is no constant here. So 0. That side the constant is a plus c. A plus c. So a is a half. So c will be minus half. So we got all the constants. So now you can substitute there. A is half x plus 1. Okay. Half x plus 1. B is 3 by 2x. 3 by 2x minus half divided by x square plus 1. So we have y on the left side. Now integrate this. So instead of integrating this, you are going to integrate the partial fractions. So a is 1 by 2 and b is 3 by 2. C is minus half. So how do you integrate now? What is integration of this? Log of x plus 1. What about here? 3 by 2 is a constant. Split this. X by x square plus 1 dx minus 1 by 2 is a constant dx by x square plus 1. 3 by 2 x by x square plus 1 minus half into this. The derivative of x square. What is the derivative of x square? 2x. So 2 is missing, right? So multiply and divide by the 2. Put one 2 here and here also one 2. This will become now y is equal to half log of x plus 1 plus 3 by 4. The derivative of the denominator is there in the numerator. So we can straight away write log of x square plus 1. You need not put the modulus. It is positive. X square is positive. Plus 1 is positive. So mod sign is not necessary. Minus 1 by 2. What is the differentiation of this? Tan inverse x plus the constant c. Now this is what we got. Now we have to find the constant c because this is only a general solution. The question is find the particular solution. So what is the condition given? Y is 1, x is 0. So put y is 1 and x is 0. So 1 half log x is 0. So it will become log 1. 3 by 4 log x is 0. So it will become 1 again. Minus 1 by 2 tan inverse x is 0 plus c. So we can see that log 1 is 0, log 1 is 0, tan inverse 0 is also 0. So we get 1 is everything, all these are zeros, plus c. So c is 1. So we found the constant c, put it back here. This equation, the general solution, you put it. So y is equal to half log x plus 1 plus 3 by 4 log x square plus 1 minus 1 by 2 tan inverse x plus 1. So that's the answer. 1 by 2, if you take out 1 by 4, so what do you get? 2, right? It is like this, 1 by 2, you're dividing by 1 by 4. This 1 by 2, I'm taking out 1 by 4 outside. So 1 by 2 into 4 will give you 2. So in that case it will be 2. So 2 log x plus 1 plus here 1 by 4 is out. So 3 log x square, I just put the modulus because the modulus is here also. Here you need not put actually. Minus 1 by 2 tan inverse x plus 1. So that is equal to 1 by 4. You can use the power rule now. So log, you can remove the modulus because you are squaring it, 2. Plus this 3 also goes up. So log x square plus 1 the whole cube minus 1 by 2 tan inverse x plus 1. So here you can use the product rule. Log a plus log b is log a into b. Log x plus 1 the whole square into x square plus 1 the whole power 3 minus 1 by 2 tan inverse x plus 1. I think that's the answer. So we have to find the particular solution. So first let us find the general solution. For that you separate the variables. So you have dy here, take dx that side. So dy is dx by, bring these terms down, x into x square minus 1. Integrate now. So dy integration is y. How do you integrate this? Factorize, you can factorize, right? X plus 1, x minus 1. You resolve into partial fractions. X plus 1, x minus 1. So we can write this as a by x, b by the 3 different factors or linear factors. All these are linear factors. B by x plus 1, c by x minus 1. Now I will just teach you the shortcut. It's a part of a sum, so we can always use these shortcuts. Here x, okay, I want to find the constant here, x plus 1 here, and I have x minus 1. Okay, I want to find the constant a. To find the constant a, in this, put x is equal to, this factor is x is equal to 0. So put x is equal to 0 in this too. Don't put x is 0 here. Put x is 0 here. What do you get? 0 plus 1 and 0 minus 1 minus 1. So what do you get? Minus 1. What about here? The constant is x is equal to minus 1. Put it here and put it here. So what do you get? So put x plus 1 is 0. X is minus 1. Put that minus 1 here, not here. Put minus 1 here and minus 1 here. What do you get? You have a 1 in the numerator, remember that. Suppose if you have x here, put there also. Here there is a constant. So 1 by 2. B is 1 by 2. C, for finding the constant C, x is 1. Put 1, don't put it here. So put x is 1. What do you get? 1 by 2. Right. So now you can integrate. So y is equal to, integrate this now. Minus 1 by x dx plus 1 by 2 dx by x plus 1 plus 1 by 2 by x minus 1. So y is minus log x plus 1 by 2 log x plus 1 plus 1 by 2 log x minus 1 plus the constant c. 1 by 2, if you take it out, you will get minus 2. Right? Minus 2 log x plus log x plus 1 plus log x minus 1 plus c. We had to find the constant c. So it is equal to y is 1 by 2 log x to the power minus 2. We can put into because all plus here. X plus 1 into x minus 1 plus c. This y is equal to half log, you can write it as x square minus 1, we can bring it down. Now put the value, they are given some values here, x is 2, y is 0, x is 2, so 3 by 4. C is minus half, take the other side, log 3 by 4. So put that constant c back here. So y is equal to half, here they can put it here, log x square minus 1 by x square plus c. C is minus half log 3 by 4. You can simplify it further, take it out. Minus log 3 by 4. The 13th question, cos dy by dx is equal to a. We can write this as dy by dx. We need dy by dx. This is a composite function. So just take out this cos to the side. Cos inverse a. Now separate the variables. So dy is cos inverse a into dx. Cos inverse a is a constant. Remember that. So integrate it now. Y is cos inverse a, integration of dx is x plus the constant c. Now they have given when y is 1, x is 0. So put y is 1, cos inverse a, x is 0. So c is 1. So y is equal to x into cos inverse a plus 1. So cos y minus 1 by x is equal to a. dy by dx is y tan x. So separate the variables. So we get dy by y is tan x into dx. Integrate it. So integration of 1 by y is log y. This is log secant x, or you can write minus log cos x also. Log secant x. Everything is log. You take the constant also as log. So you will get log y minus log secant x, or you can write log secant x into c. The product rule here. So remove log now. Here I use the product rule. Log a plus log b is log a into b. So remove log on both the sides. So you will get now y is secant x into c. Now substitute x is 0 and y is 1. Cos 0, secant 0 is also 1. So c is 1 because y is 0, y is 1, x is 0. So the equation will become y is secant x.